Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, our engineer Wang will introduce the functions and operation of the knobs on the electrical control cabinet of the EPS tongue and groove cutting machine. First, this is the main power switch. This is the touch screen. This is the machine power switch. This is the system power switch. This is the key switch, and this is the emergency stop switch. These two knobs are used to adjust the conveyor frequencies for sections 1, 2, 3, and 5. Turn the knob to the left to slow down and to the right to speed up. The conveying speed can be adjusted by changing the frequency. Under normal conditions, the frequency for sections 1, 2, or 3 is around 37 Hz, while the frequency for section 5 is around 31 to 32 Hz. This knob is used to adjust the front dust removal frequency, which is normally set to the maximum of 60 Hz. This knob is used to adjust the rear dust removal frequency, which is normally set to 30-35 Hz. The last two knobs are used to adjust the milling cutter frequencies. One controls the side tongue and groove cutter, and the other controls the top grooving cutter. Both are normally set to the maximum of 40 Hz to achieve a smoother milling surface. That concludes today's video. If you are interested in our EPS tongue and groove cutting machine, please feel free to leave us a message.